Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today we're going to be making a light box so you can take photos just like this one. Okay, so everything you see here I got from the dollar store. You need to get some masking tape or some duct tape, some scissors, and a box. To be honest, there were boxes hanging around at the store and I just asked for one and they just gave it to me. Also, you want to get, I think these are like two for $1. The cardboard for, I guess projects or something. Project board, if that's what it's called. But I got two of them and I wanted something white because I would like my background to be white. From here, I'm just showing that you're going to use one side of the box. So just close it up and you want to tape that side down. From here, you want to turn your box over and just cut those flaps off. You don't need them. Okay, so once you've removed the flaps, you want to make a, I guess you would call it like a rectangular shape cut out at the top. I'm just going to use my scissors and a measuring tape, and I'm going to try to measure out where it is that I want to, how I want it to look. Okay, so after you measure it out, you need to get either, I guess it would be called, I don't know if it's called a switchblade or what, or like a box cutter. You can get a box cutter, or if you have one of those, like I said, switchblades, you could just throw that in there, or just use a regular knife. And just cut along the lines as best that you can. I was not that good at this. I probably had to go through it, I would say maybe like 3 times before I got through the box. But I think it was old, so I mean, I don't really use box cutters like that, so it was probably like rusty. So if you have a good knife, I guess just take your time and like line it a couple times with it so you don't cut yourself. Finally, it is done. Now that I finally got that piece off, we can get to the good part, which is using the poster board to line the inside of our box. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the box and trace on the white paper the back, the sides, and the bottom of the box, because we're going to use it to fill in the inside of our box, and that's what's going to give it that light box look. Also, before you start drawing on the board, make sure it's flipped onto the dull side. You don't want the nice shiny side to get marked up, okay? Once you've done that, just grab your scissors and start cutting. Try to stay on the lines. Let me tell you, I don't know what's wrong with me, but it was so hard. I'm just not good at arts and crafts. I'm so sorry. But when I was done, I had to like keep cutting it and stuff just so it could fit in the box. You'll see. So once you cut it out, because it's going to be fitting on the inside, it's going to be a little bit bigger, but I rather cut some off to make it fit versus making it too small. And then I had to like cut another one. And I finally got it, y'all. Finally. I got a pretty good fit. It stuck right into the corners, which is what I pretty much wanted. So now we're just going to measure out the other sides just so that they can fit right in as well. Once you've completed one side, go ahead and take that piece and just put it on top of the other part of the folder and just copy it. This way you're not doing like piece by piece by piece. You can pretty much do that with all 4 sides except for the bottom. Okay, so once you have all your pieces, what you're going to want to do is grab some tape and start taping them in. Don't glue them in because it's white, or who knows, whatever color you chose. If it gets dirty, you want to be able to replace it. So don't glue it on. Just tape them in so you can just pull them out and replace it if they get dirty. If you watched all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. I hope it was interesting. I only spent $4 and it was super easy to make. So hopefully you guys will just, you got any packages coming to your house, use the box, make yourself a cute little light box instead of spending extra money. All right, please leave a like. Please leave a comment so I know what you think about the video. And please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more things like this. Bye. Thank you.